Hi, this is my second box of 2006-2007 NBA Fleary X. I opened the first box, really loved the product. Almost got the full set. Got some good autographs, or decent autographs, and good patch. I thought I'd try it again, and we'll see what happens with it. I got this from blowoutcards.com for a decent price. And as I said, we'll see what happens with this pack to see whether we get any further packs. 5 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Apparently 3 hits per box on average. So here we go, first pack. Feels kind of like there's just base cards in there, I think. So let's see here, who we got? Another Michael Jordan, Emeka, Paul Pierce, Joe Johnson, and Gilbert Arenas. I think Washington could be somewhat dangerous in the NBA playoffs this year. We'll have to see. I'm not sure about this pack here. Seems like there might be something in it, but it might be a decoy. I think we've got a decoy pack. Andrei Kirilenko, Chris Bosh, stuck together with Ray Allen, Manu, and Tim Duncan, 2 of my favorite Spurs. So far nothing. I hope if I can complete the pack that I get there's a few cards that I was missing for opening the previous box. Garnett was in there, and here's our first. I'm not going to look. I'm going to turn it around. Here's the autograph. Jason Terry, Dirk Nowitzki, LeBron, and Ben Gordon, and I'm going to just put this off to the side and have a look at it in a little bit. Last pack on the left. Oh, why don't we just look at it now? And it's Chris Kaman. Pretty cool auto. He's having a great year. So, happy with that one. Maybe we'll get lucky and get another one. I doubt her with my luck, but you can always hope, right? Okay, here's the rookie auto, so I'm going to turn that around to look at Steve Nash, Allen Iverson, Juwan Howard, Stephen Marbury, and the ever popular D. Brown autograph rookie. So the only thing left is a patch, if we can find it. So we got Paul Pierce, Jason Kidd, Vince Carter, Kevin Garnett, and the Dirk Nowitzki orange refractor number to 74. That's pretty cool. 2 packs to go. 1 more hit. Hopefully. And it looks like this is it. And this could be a good one. Andrew Bogut, Dwayne Wade, Shaq, Tracy McGrady, and a Kobe Bryant behind the numbers, dual patch, numbered to 199, number 43. Too bad it wasn't 45, that would have been even cooler, but close. And so the last pack should be nothing exciting but base, I would assume. Which it is. Jason Richardson, Baron Davis, I almost said Dale Davis, Rasheed Wallace, Chauncey, and Carmelo. So let's go over the hits here one more time. There were 3, maybe 4. I think the highlight is the Kobe Brown jersey, or Kobe Bryant jersey. I said Kobe Brown. Kobe Bryant jersey. So we got a Chris Kaman autograph, and I don't believe it was numbered. Actually, let me check that. If I can get off the table here. Not numbered. The ever popular D Brown autograph, I always see those on eBay. The Dirk Nowitzki orange parallel, and to me the highlight of the pack, the Kobe Bryant dual jersey, numbered to 199. Okay, that's it.